Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Dimas Aidil Ardana, and this is my partner Zaki Fadilah. May you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Zaki Fadila and my partner is Dimas Aidil Ardana.
Yeah, so in here we will deliver our presentation about the Batik Day in Indonesia. So, and for the first explanation, I will handle it to my partner Zaki. You can go
Yeah,
on,
thank you,
Zaki.
Dimas. Yeah, thank you. Batik has been around in Indonesia for centuries and reflect the tradition and cultural values of the people. The diverse motif and patterns of batiks not only have aesthetic and beauty, but also contain deep meaning. Each batik pattern has own its story and philosophy, uh, which are often related to daily life, nature, and people's belief. Every October 2nd, Indonesia celebrates National Batik Days, celebrations that reminds us of the importance of Batik as one of the rich cultural heritage. Batik, organized by UNESCO uh, as an integral cultural heritage in 2009. It's not only clothes but also a symbol of Indonesia identity and cultural diversity.
Oh yeah, so the Batik Day first is commemorated in 2009 as an effort to raise public awareness of the importance of batik as a cultural heritage in Indonesia. Yeah, so in order to celebrate this special day, various activities are held throughout Indonesia, and ranging from batik exhibition, batik design competition to the seminar on the development of the batik industry. And preserving batik is not only the task of the craftsman, but also the responsibility and each individual. The use of batik in various formal and everyday event can help support the local industry and batik craftsmen. With that, more and more people wearing batik will contribute to maintaining the continuous of cultural heritage of Indonesia Batik Day.
Alright. Uh, National Batik Days is held to appreciate and the same time raise a sense of pride in the richness of batik culture in Indonesia. Batik is a rich cultural heritage that reacts the diversity of the archipelago. According to the website of the Center for Craft and Batik of the Ministry of Industry, batik is a work of the Indonesian people that combines arts and technology, passed down from generation to generation. Meanwhile, the Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI def- defines batik as a patterned cloth made with a special technique using wax on the cloth and though certain process.
All right. Good information from you, Zaki Fadila. And so, Indonesian itself routinely hold a celebration of Batik Day every year. Yeah, there are several things that are done on National Batik Day. We namely like one, practicing coloring batik cloth. In this practice coloring batik cloth, one of the activities to the commemorate Batik Day that can be done at school is practice of coloring batik cloth. In this event, students can be introduced to basic coloring techniques, simple batik using safe tool and safe materials. And in this activity can train student more creativity and passion while doing the batik cloth coloring. The result of the coloring work can also be exhibited at school, and this exhibition can be a form of appreciation for students who complete the batik coloring process.
All right. The second is socialization or basic preservation workshop. Socialization activities or workshop like these are educational method that aim to improve student understanding of basic. The implementation can be done with inviting resource persons who are expert in field of basic. Through the activities, students will learn a lot about basic from the manufacturing process of the distribution stage. The activities can be interpreted with a question and answer session to give students the opportunity to ask things that they don't know about basic. 3. Holding a Batik fashion show. Batik fashion show is also one of the exciting activities to the celebration Batik Days. These activities can involve many categories such as formal, casual, or traditional clothes. The implementation does not need to be very formal, just by displaying existing Batik clothing. During the event, the host can provide information about the background of the clothing being displayed. 4. Making Batik mural. Batik mural is one of the most fun ideas in celebrating Batik Day at school. The creation of this mural can be done on the school wall. The implementation be done by formal several terms that will paint the mural with certain pred- predetermined motifs. The creation of basics mural on the wall can also be means of self-expression for students.
All right, Zaki, and now it's number five. So this in the number five, it's a creative video competition on batik theme. So creative video contest can also be option to celebrate National Batik Day. This contest is held with the theme of batik. In its implementation, students can be given the freedom to discuss about this batik national and relate to batik. The topic of discussion can include depiction of the beauty of batik itself and the manufacture process or message for the preservation of batik. And number six is next is screening of documentary film about batik. And in here, when you're watching movie, it's always an exciting activity. Yeah. So when done at school, therefore showing a documentary film can be one of the fun option to commemorate the Batik Day at school. And in here, this event will provide an opportunity for students to better understand and cultural heritage of batik. They will more have understand knowledge. After the screening, the activity can be continued with a group of discussion to deepen their knowledge about this batik day in Indonesia.
All right. The number 7 is dance performing using batik. In this activity, students can perform a dance performance using the batik clothing. In addition, the dance movement can also be created by displaying the process of manufacturing batik itself. Performance like this are not only entertaining but can also help students to understand batik better. The event can also foster a sense of love and increase students' insight into Indonesian heritage.
Yeah, all right. So thank you very much for Zaki Fadila, because you explained to us about knowledge about Batik Day in Indonesia. Yeah, thank you very much, and see you guys in another video. And thank you for watching and hearing and listening to our presentation about batik in Indonesia. Dadah.